3 habits that help to keep my home clean and tidy, and I do them every day. Habit number 1 is to make my bed. The bed is the largest piece of furniture in the room, so if the bed is messy, it makes the whole room look messy. I'll do a clutter stop before I leave the room. That includes picking up any clothing left on the floor or putting away any items left on the night table. On Mondays, when I do my weekly home blessing, I strip the bed and throw those sheets in the wash. It gives the bed time to air out while I take care of other things. Habit number 2 is to start the laundry. Doing one small load every day keeps the laundry from accumulating so I don't feel overwhelmed. Habit number 3 is to do the dishes. I spend a lot of time in my kitchen, and much of that time revolves around cooking. If there are dirty dishes in the sink or the counter is messy, I have to clean up before I can make a meal. I'll either wash the dishes by hand or run the dishwasher as part of my after-dinner cleanup. I put the dishes away as part of my morning routine, leaving the dishwasher empty and ready to receive dirty dishes throughout the day. Today's zone work is dusting and polishing the master bedroom furniture. I take care of any zone work immediately after I finish my morning routine. That leaves me the rest of the day to do whatever other homemaking tasks I have on my list. Now it's time to make my bed, and I am so glad the people at Rest reached out to me and asked if I would try their cooling comforter. Cooling? Seriously? Yes, please. I get so hot at night that sometimes I want to throw those bed covers across the room. With the Rest Evercool comforter, I sleep so much cooler. The fabric is created using a technique that makes it mimic silk, so it is buttery soft and silky smooth. It absorbs and transfers heat so fast that I am sleeping cooler and I'm getting better sleep. So if I'm getting better sleep, he's getting better sleep. It's also hypoallergenic, no nanoparticles and no chemicals. And whereas it is machine washable, it's best to let it drip dry. I'm old school, so I always make the bed with a flat sheet. But when it's time to crawl into bed, that sheet is pushed aside and I've got the Rest Evercool comforter right next to my skin, keeping me cool and comfortable all night. The Evercool comforter is reversible. It's sky blue on one side and aqua blue on the other side, and it comes in 3 sizes: queen, king, and a California king. A friend gave us some butternut squash and I needed to prepare it for the freezer. 30 seconds in the microwave softens it up just enough to make it easier to peel. I cut it into cubes and blanch it for 2 minutes, then drop it into an ice water bath. Once it's cool, I drain it, then flash freeze it to prepare for vacuum sealing. I'm the Energizer Bunny during the day, so I move on from one task to the next. I do, however, try to make a hard stop about 4:30 to make dinner. If I work through that period without stopping to make dinner, then I find that I'm either too tired or out of the notion. If there's any laundry left to be folded, I can take care of it while dinner is cooking. I want to thank the people at Rest for reaching out to me to share their Evercool comforter with all of you. And they've been kind enough to give me a 20% discount code. All you need to do is click on my exclusive link and use the discount code Denise20 at checkout. For more homemaking inspiration, click the link on the screen and I will see you next time.